Hey kids. I'm just gonna drop something. Anyway, today I'm just gonna do some winterizing stuff. The best thing we found is to divide and conquer on some of these tasks that we have. So I've got these that I'm gonna just talk to you about, and then Peyton's helping Melissa, and then we're gonna do this, and then I got the pressure washer. So I'm gonna just show you what I do to winterize some stuff up here in the frozen tundra. So let me get you set up and we'll get after it. All right, so we're gonna take the battery out because look, we probably don't need to, but you know I'm going to anyway. So the key on this is to make sure you don't short anything out. You know, so what we typically do is we'll take the ground off and then we'll do this, and then I'm not going to waste your time showing you that because you've probably seen me take a battery out before, and if not, well, hey. You'll just have to know that take this one out, take this one out, pull it out. So we're going to do that. So I can never remember what size this is. So we're just going to use the old crescent wrench. Now, there's better tools, and then someone's coming. Everybody hide. Someone's coming.
Hello.
It's Peyton.
What y'all doing?
We're taking the battery out. What are you doing?
Couldn't find you.
I was hiding. All right, so I'm gonna take this out and we'll, do some stuff. Now there's something I've done before since I can't remember, but I've actually taken the wrench because I had a spares and I put it in the cup holder, and that way I know I have it for the spring coming up. And then, I put it away, after I put the battery in the spring. But yeah, so that's something to think about. You can just tuck it right here or put it right in the battery box. But let me finish getting this out. Now, something else I do. I used to not do this, but I do now. I'm not sure why I didn't, and I don't know what happened. I can't remember. But what I do is I have put a pump in there, right there, pump in there, and I pump out all the fuel. And then I use it in the snowblower, I put it in the car, or whatever. But I'm gonna get that done. I am trying out a new pump. I don't want it to go sideways on here yet. So I'm gonna try it here first, and then we're gonna do the push mower, and then I'm gonna show you how I winterize the power washer. See you in a bit. Well, that new pump actually worked pretty good. It didn't leak everywhere and stuff. It was I got it on Amazon. Anyway, made in, somewhere. So, yeah, I literally just stick the end of the pump in there and pump it out into the gas can. And then I do that with the riding mower, the push mower, and then I do also with the pressure washer. All right. Okay, now it's not going to get all the fuel out of the machine, but it's going to get almost all of it out. So that way, when you put new fuel in the spring, and that it'll be running fresh fuel. Now, mind you, this is what I do. There are 5 billion different ways, and I'm sure that other people say, "Yep, now you start it and you run the carburetor out of fuel and doing this and that." So, hey, it's up to you guys what you want to do. This is just what I do. Can't say it's right, can't say it's wrong, but this is just what's been working for us in the past, 15 years. So anyway, let's go do that pressure washer. So something that I always make sure to do, and I know this isn't even a thing anymore, but it was the whole time I was growing up. And now that I'm 108, there's Peyton doing whatever she's doing. Anyway, now that I'm quite a bit older, I can't get out of the habit. So I do not put my batteries on the concrete. I can't do it. I just can't. So it's gonna go on the shelf there, but for now I'm just gonna set it on the table here until I get ready to actually put it away. So we remove the fuel from both those. Now normally I would leave the right size wrench out there, but since it's my adjustable, I probably won't. But it's something that I've done for the winter time, and then it's nice in the summer, or spring, you just pop battery back in and off you go. So now we'll make some noise. Oh, the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the handle and fold that up. I'm going to move some stuff around in here just to make a little bit more room. But I'm definitely going to fold that handle up. And then I do always hold that up so I can put stuff next to it and stuff so it doesn't mess up. I still have this to deal with. You know, nice thing is it's not 87 below yet, but it's going to get there. All right, now, noise. All right, it's cold, it's windy. Shh. It was raining, so if any of you live up in the area where you get freezing rain, you know how terrible it is. So, cool thing is, not too much left outside junk to do, so I'm gonna go get the pressure washer. Can't even hit the button. Once again, this is what I do. I guarantee that it's not what everybody else does, but it's just what I do. So what I do, of course, once I get it started, been sitting a while, I always use RV antifreeze. And basically what I do is I get it started, get it running, put the feed tube into the antifreeze, squeeze it. Once I see antifreeze come out, shut it off. Drain the fuel, put it away. Easy enough? All right, let me get set up. All right, it took a little bit, but I got it running because, you know, it's 100 below. Well, it's like 40. All right, we're gonna let it warm up. Okay, it's painting again. See? Teamwork makes the dream work, kids. So there it is, running like something. See, I had to figure it out here.
I knew it was gonna die. Yep, I knew it was gonna die.
Peyton did it. All right, now let's just call it a day. Anyway, oh, well that warms up. Show ya here. We did do a little bit more work here on the back side of the shop. Yep. We decided to hide it a little bit more. You know? Out of sight, out of mind, I guess. So, now it's running good. Let me show you how we got things set up. You got it? Okay. So basically, what we're gonna do is this. No, we're not. Gotta purge the line first. You know what? I'm gonna put you down, hold on. Okay, that took a little bit longer than I thought, but we got it. So that's cool. Yeah, I use the minus 50 stuff. I mean, you can use whatever you want, but that's just what we use. And then, get that fuel out of there, put it away. This little pump did pretty good. I'm gonna get the box and we'll show you, I'll talk to you about it and what I think. It's actually not too bad. I don't know, it's like 20 bucks. See you in a bit. Okay, kids, we got that stuff done. The pressure washer was a little bit of a pain. I just didn't want to start very well because, of course, it's been sitting a while. But those are just some basic things that we do as far as for winterizing. Always make sure to take battery out, drain the fuel, and then, you know, if you're running out of fuel or whatever you do after that, hey, cool. That's just what I do. Now, I thought Peyton was gonna be able to help, but she's still doing some work with Mom. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna talk to you a little bit about that pump. Now, E-lead, whatever. So this is the pump. Now it actually has a nozzle, which was pretty cool. Turned it on, and it didn't just start, you know, running right away. It was actually pretty cool because I had to squeeze the handle. Anyway, it seemed to be fine. It was like 22 bucks or something like that. It is not made in the United States, but hey, you know. Plus it has options as far as 2D batteries or 6 AA's. It comes with that. So it actually was, you know, it was pretty nice. I don't know. Check them out if you need one. And you guys catch the live from the other night? A couple hours of us giving stuff away and being weird. Anyway, so what I'm going to do, because Mom and Peyton are still doing stuff, I'm gonna get the wheels on here. That's all right, you know, I can do it myself. But so I had these. Throwing it on the floor is what I did. Because why not, right? No, you gotta watch out for that. Apparently, it goes flinging. So I put these on, you know, to hold them on. It is a 3/4, so I'm just loosen them up. Maybe. Yeah. Thought it was anyway. So I'm gonna get these off. I'm gonna start getting the feet off and just start rotating them, and then we'll kind of show you how that is. All right, kids. So first things first, or second. First thing second, is that a thing? Yeah, okay. Well, it is on this channel. First thing second. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get those stickers off, right? Now, like I told you, these are 110-pound wheels. They'll support, and the table says 600, but let's face it, I'm not putting 440 pounds on there. Number one, because I'm not picking up 440 pounds of anything. That'd be dumb. I'd hurt myself more. So these will be just fine. What I'm gonna do, get this done, and we're gonna start getting these wrapped up. If you do hear some noise, it's the foreman watching to make sure I'm not messing up. No, she's doing something with the Christmas lights. She said that she finished them all. Well, she finished them all yesterday. And then one more thing to plug in. And she had to unwind the stuff she wound up. And then the ones she wanted were on the bottom of the thing. So I'm just gonna, I'll get you in here. All right, I'm gonna attempt to do this the wrong way, because that's how we would all do it, right? What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pick up one leg at a time, undo the foot, put the wheel on, put the jam nut on. Is it gonna work? No, come on. But if it does, hey, you know, I called it and it was gonna totally work. So far it seems to be doing something. All right, so I got the one foot off, yep, No, I don't, yep, no, nope. Still no. It's happening. Unbolting. Okay. Now these are some, hey now. These are larger than the feet, so, or taller. So we're gonna have some sort of issue, I guarantee it. Yep. So we're gonna get this on, and then we'll show you what's up. Okay, it didn't work. So it's not like that. Somebody told me it wouldn't work, too. So we're over there. Yep. But I know best, you know, my shop. Not being laughed at, my own shop. So, what we're gonna do, we're gonna put this on its side, and then we're gonna, yeah, take two. Make sure you have a 5/8. Like this one. Hey, quick question. Who put all this junk in here? Can't even get around. Now you guys can't even see what I'm doing. Anybody like molasses cookies? Molasses cookies? No? Too bad. My mother-in-law makes the best ones. Actually, my mom's were pretty good too. So for my birthday, from my mother-in-law, I get 7 dozen. Yeah, it seems excessive, but it's really not, you know, because they leave and then I can't get any until Christmas time. And my mom, yeah, you see? Uh-huh. Yeah. Oh, you don't like molasses cookies, Jeremy? Nice. You know, I hope your mother-in-law never makes you molasses cookies. So make sure you save your feet. You know, wear good shoes with arch support. So, you just continue to do the thing. So once you got them in there, make sure you're putting your jam nut on, because, you know, we're going to be adjusting these. Then we're going to jam them into place. That's why it's called jam nut. You jam it. All right, I'm gonna do these other two and then we'll get you back in. Anybody ever come out to your shop and give you a bunch of garbage? Talking trash about stuff that's underneath my toolbox. It's a car duster and some chain, some wire. You never know you're gonna need that stuff, and you might need it right there when you're laying on the floor. Or if you have a jammer, you might need the chain to get up. All right, guys, look at that. Can you see that? It's right there. No, you can't see that. Telling you, that's definitely an addition that should have been made on here. It's right at my waist high, which is perfect for me. And then, you know, I'll get this leveled up for where it's going to be. Actually, it's not bad right now. I mean, no floor is going to be perfect, but this is really close. So the cool thing is, I mean, I can set the jam nuts and I can just roll with this the way it is. So that's fun. Now, some of you might be saying, hey, why didn't you get ones that lock? Well, they didn't have any. And this size didn't have any that locked, and they did on the other, on a different kind of mounting, but, you know, I needed a certain kind of thread and stuff, so. But, I'm telling you, I think we're going to be good to go on this guy for the winter. You know, we got Clyde to do stuff on, we got Plan B to work on. We are going to be starting that soon. I still got to figure out what other parts I need to order. First thing, you know, we got to get those doors fitting right and stuff. So, anyway, so let's recap. We covered some winterization from some yard equipment. It's what I do. If you do something else and it works better for you or it works for you, perfect. Keep doing that. Then Foreman came in here. Talked about that already. And then we put, you know, this on this guy. I mean, I'll tell you what, man, that's not bad. Not bad at all. I'm pretty pleased with that so far. Yes, I know I just put the wheels on it, but I mean, hey, come on, right? And it'll be easier to get it out of the way. The stuff. I might try to figure out a way to put wheels on the folding one too. I mean, why not? What's it gonna hurt, you know? If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Then I've got extra wheels and we can put them on eBay. We'll sign them. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching whatever this was today. It's not really us doing anything. But these are all things that have to be done. I am going to show you what we do keep in the car for the winter time, because it's a little different than most. You know, if you live in Arizona, you're probably keeping, you know, sunscreen and, you know, water. We're keeping blankets and, you know, extra food. So, again, if you guys hung around on the chat, on the live, thank you so much. And if you won and you haven't sent me the email, honestpaintspeedshop@gmail.com, you have to send it to me so I can get your address, so I can get them out. I'm only making one trip to the mail, to the post office. Only one, because it's not going to be cheap, and I don't want to be fiddling back and forth with it. So please do it soon. Of course, I'll tell you when I'm going. So if you miss it, well, I will keep your thing here, but then you'll just have to kind of wait till I get out of the post office again. Anyway, thanks again. We really do appreciate all of you. Honest Peyton needs to get back out here and get to work. I agree, you know, but it's cold and she's whiny today. Maybe, I don't know. But she did help. I mean, you guys saw. She did great. And by the way, she had so much fun with all of you. It was a good time. So anyway, guys, gals, paper clips, whatever. Thanks so much. We'll be seeing you soon. Keep on wrenching. Have a great day.